Welcome to Aditya classes. Today we discuss about the reproduction in bacteria. Okay, reproduction in bacteria occurs in three different ways. First is binary fission. Binary fission. Okay. Second one is spore formation. Spore formation. And third one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Okay. Now first, binary fission. Binary fission is a method of reproduction which occurs when favorable condition is present. Okay. When favorable condition, what do you mean by favorable condition? When sufficient amount of food and water is available for bacteria, then it is called favorable condition. Favorable condition. Okay. If favorable condition is present, bacteria, this is your bacterial cell which initially grow and divide into two daughter cell. Okay. Thus it is called binary fission. Yani it divides into two daughter cell. This is the way which occurs in favorable condition and one cell convert into two daughter cell. Okay. Second is spore formation. Spore formation is occurs during unfavorable condition. Okay. This is during unfavorable condition. I mean when sufficient amount of food and water is not available, at that condition this bacterial cell produce a spore inside. A spore is also a special type of cell which is covered by hard layer. This hard layer protect the spore during unfavorable condition. Okay. It also release from mother cell. It release from mother cell and come out. Okay. This is your spore. Now when this unfavorable condition go back and favorable condition return, what happened? When favorable condition return, it germinate. When it germinates? After returning favorable condition. Here is a favorable condition, but here is unfavorable condition. When favorable condition comes, it germinate to produce new bacterial cell. This is your new bacterial cell. Okay. Then you can say that a spore formation is only occurs during unfavorable condition to sustain bacterial species. Next one is sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is nothing but only primitive type DNA transfer. It is not to produce two or more cell. It is only to produce only to primitive type DNA transfer. I mean this is only DNA transfer. DNA transfer. And this transfer is primitive type, old type. This is primitive type DNA transfer. How this DNA transfer occurs? This is your bacterial cell. This is your bacterial cell and this is bacterial genome. If external genome comes and connect with this original genome, then what will be happen? The genetic structure of this bacteria is changed. Due to change in this genetic structure, the phenotype is also changed. When genotype is changed, phenotype is also changed. These change in genotype and phenotype of bacteria is called sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occurs in three ways. First is transformation. First is transformation. When genetic materials comes from environment, external environment, it is called transformation. Second, this is first. Second one is transduction. Transduction, when this genetic materials comes from bacteriophage. I think that all of you know about bacteriophage, which is virus which that infect bacteria. If the external genome comes from bacteriophage, it is called transduction. And third one is conjugation. Conjugation is a process in which external genome comes from another bacteria. Okay, this is from environment, this is from bacteriophage, and this is conjugation for another bacteria. When genomic structure, external genomic structures comes from another bacteria, it is called conjugation, and when it is comes from bacteriophage, it is called transduction, and when it is called another means, it is called transformation. That's all for reproduction in bacteria. Okay, thank you for watching this video.